All right, students, let's practice a few more of these evaluate expression problems. They can sure get tricky when there are negative numbers to plug in for variables, exponents, and negatives. We have to be very careful. Here comes number 5. I copy down the problem. Then anywhere there's a variable, I use a set of parentheses, and then fill in for x. This time x is -3. What I have here is -3 squared, which means take everything in the parentheses twice. That's -3 times -3. 3 times 3 is 9, and when you multiply two negatives, you get a positive. Beautiful. Number 6 can be tricky. It would be awfully easy to plug that -4 in there and say that two negatives make a positive, but we have to be careful. The proper way to write this is -z squared. Now plug in the -4 for z. What I should not do is say that two negatives make a positive. Instead, I should copy this negative, and I should copy this set of parentheses 2 times. Everything in the parentheses twice. This negative goes here. Now copy the -4 into each set of parentheses. 4 times 4 is 16. But that's 1, 2, 3 negatives. That's an odd number of negatives, making my answer negative. That can be kind of confusing. We're going to make mistakes from time to time. That's okay. We'll keep practicing and we'll keep getting better. Let's try 2 more. 3z squared becomes 3z squared. Excuse me. Now plug -4 in for z. This means to take 3 times -4 squared. I'm going to come down here and do -4 squared on scrap paper. -4 squared means everything in the parentheses twice. That's 4 times 4 is 16, and a negative times a negative is a positive. So I've got 3 times -4 squared. -4 squared is positive 16. Now 3 times 16 is 48. Beautiful. Here comes number 8. 10 minus x squared becomes 10 minus x squared. In this problem, the x is -3. Now here's where I must resist. I must resist saying that two negatives make a positive. That's not what I have here. Instead, it's 10 minus. Let's take this -3 squared down here onto scrap paper. -3 squared means everything in the parentheses twice. -3 times -3, that's positive 9. So it's 10 minus, I copied the 10, I copied the minus, -3 squared is 9. Now I've got 10 minus 9, that's just 1. Got it. All right, your turn. Go work a few of these. They can be challenging. Do your best. I'll see you soon.